Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys today, how to properly install net certs after you've drilled the holes and located them and whatnot. These mirrors we bought, they came with aluminum net certs. I'm not a real fan of those. They just don't seem to be as tough as the knurled steel ones. But what I like to do is go ahead and put it on the tool. You can't quite do them all in one squeeze, they don't seem to like it, so I have to leave a bit of a gap there. And then prior to putting them on, I take a little bit of structural adhesive and go ahead and smear it on here. Doesn't take much, by the time it squishes there's not much room for glue to be in there. But I feel that it really makes them last quite a bit longer, especially on a mirror that's rattling around and people are going to be folding on and dinking with. The other thing it does is, after drilling these holes, it's corrosion protection for the bare steel there, and it also makes them a watertight seal. And what you'll do is you just shove it in there, the glue comes out nice, and squeeze her down and give her a little more. Make sure she's good and seated. Unscrew the tool, grab another nut cert, and go ahead and repeat it on this one. And it doesn't even need to be all that even. These are drilled out to a wire size, so they're a really tight fit. Just shoving it in the hole seems to spread it pretty good. Go ahead and clip it down. And go and screw that off of there. And grab the mirrors and throw that on there. I've got some zinc plated bolts and gaskets that go on here. Fell off of there. Tighten those hummers up and you got some nice mirrors that won't go anywhere. That's how you put those on there properly. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.